Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Mathematics with Miss Jen. In today's video, we will learn division of polynomials. We will be using long division method, factoring method or simplifying, and synthetic division. Let's try to answer our first example using long division method. Here we have 3x squared plus 5x minus 6 divided by x plus 2. It is very important that we know how to determine what is our divisor and what is our dividend. In this problem, our divisor is x plus 2. So let's set up our long division method. So we have x plus 2 as our divisor and our dividend is 3x squared plus 5x minus 6. So 3x squared divided by x is equals to 3x. Remember, in division, we subtract the exponent of like variables. But in multiplication, we will add the exponent. Here, 3x squared minus divided by x is equals to 3x because we subtract the exponent. 3x times x is equals to 3x squared. 3x times positive 2 is equals to 6x. Remember, in division, we will be using 3 operations: division, subtraction, and multiplication. Then we will subtract. You have to remember that we will be using distributive property. If you remember in my previous video about subtraction of polynomials, addition and subtraction of polynomials, we will be using distributive property before we add or subtract. So we will enclose this set of polynomial in parentheses. So positive 3 times negative, it will be negative. So 3x squared minus 3x squared is 0. And here positive 6 times negative, it will be negative. So positive 5x minus negative and negative 6x, and the answer is negative x because negative 6 is bigger than positive 5. So we copy the sign of the biggest number. And here we will bring down negative 6. Here we have negative x divided by x. Remember that the coefficient here is 1. And so here. So we have x divided by x is 1 or negative 1. So negative 1 times x is equals to negative x. Then negative 2 times negative 1 times 2 is equals to negative 2. Again, apply distributive property. So negative times negative and it will be positive. Negative 2 times negative and it will be positive. Unlike sign, then subtract and copy the sign of the biggest number. So negative x, positive x is equals to 0. And here we have negative 6 and positive 2, we have negative 4. So this will be our remainder. So we have 3x minus 1, a remainder of negative 4 over x plus 2. Let's try to check if our answer is correct. We know that the opposite operation of division is multiplication. So we will multiply the answer to our divisor. So we will multiply 3x minus 1 times x plus 2. And don't forget to add later our remainder. Here we will be using distributive property. So 3x times x is equals to 3x squared. Add the exponent. In multiplication, we add the exponent. Then 3x times 2 is equals to positive 6x. And now the inner part or inside negative 1 times x is equals to negative x. And the last one is negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Then we will add. So 3x squared, bring it down. And then positive x, negative x. So we have 5x, positive 5x, because 6 is bigger than negative 1. So, and our negative 2, let's bring it down. And don't forget to add our remainder. So it is negative 4. Because negative times positive is negative. So here, we will be adding two like sign here. So negative 2 and negative 4, and it will give you negative 6. So 3x squared plus 5x minus 6. So our answer is correct. Let's go to another example. Here we have x squared plus 7x plus 10 by x plus 2. This time we will be using factoring method. So first we will set up our problem. We have x squared plus 7x plus 10 divided by x plus 2. So we will factor our trinomials here. To get the factor, we have to look for the first term and the last term. So the factor of first term is x squared. The factor is x and x. For our last term, we have positive 10. So what is the factor of 10? 5 times 2. Remember that 5 plus 2 is 7 to get the inside part of or inside term of trinomials. So we have, since all the signs here are positive, so we will be having a positive sign. So x plus 5 times x plus 2. So this is the factor of our first trinomial, of our dividend. And for our divisor, the factor is x plus 2 times 1. So, then now we have common factor. Let's cancel out the common factor because x plus 2, not really canceling out, but it is division. So we are dividing this and the answer is 1. So, but if you multiply it here, it's the same. Any number or any variables multiplied to 1, it doesn't change anything. So we have x plus 5. So our answer is x plus 5. Let's try to check if our answer is correct. So we have our answer x plus 5 and we will be multiply it to our divisor. So x plus 2 times x plus 5 is equals to, we will be using distributive property. So x times x is equals to x squared and x times 5 is equals to 5x. And then our inside 2 times x is equals to 2x, as in we align together 5x and 2x because they are like terms. So 2 times 5 is equals to 10. Then we'll add, then we have here x squared and then positive times positive here, so we still have positive 2. So 5 plus 2 is equals to 7x and our whole number, which is 10. So we have x squared plus 7x plus 10. So we have the right answer. So the x squared plus 7x plus 10 divided by x plus 2. The answer is x plus 5. Let's go to our last example. This time we will be using synthetic division. Here we have x plus x squared plus 6x plus 9 divided by x plus 3. So here we will get the value of our x. So we will transpose x is equals to negative 3, because if you transpose positive 3 to other side, it will be negative. So here we have negative 3, and we will copy the coefficient of this trinomial. So x here we have 1, we have 6, and we have 9. Then bring down 1, the first coefficient in the first term. So we have 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Because we have positive 6 and negative 3, so we will get positive 3 because 6 is bigger than negative 3. And here 3 times negative 3, which is negative 9. So it is 0. So our answer is 1x plus 3. So because x squared divided by x, this is our variable now. So x squared divided by x is 1. So we have here x. And then for our 6x divided by x is 0. So we have whole number 3 here. We don't have variable. But we can rewrite this as x plus 3. So let's check if our answer is correct. We have x plus 3 as our answer because it is understood that x here, the coefficient is 1. And we have x plus 3 here as our divisor. So we will multiply. So x plus 3 times x plus 3. We use distributive property. So x times x is x squared plus 3x because x times 3 is 3x. Then 3 times x is equals to 3x and 3 times 3 is equals to 9. Then we add x plus x squared, bring it down, and then add like terms. We have 3 plus 3 is 6 and our 9, bring it down. So our answer is correct. So the answer for x squared plus 6x plus 9 divided by x plus 3 is x plus 3. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, please subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification bell to get updated on my latest video. My name is Jen, and I love math.